Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're here at the AIBC Summit, the VIP party, which is epic, and you can see lots of awesome people all in the crypto space. Going to have an awesome dinner and very nice people. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up, thumbs up, and also follow me on Twitter. We reached 70,000+ on Twitter people as well, so it's amazing. And don't forget, there's also a Telegram. You can talk to the other gurus, the other people that are investing in crypto and discussing stuff. The link is to the Telegram is in the description. That way you have more information, you can share things. And be careful of scams, everyone. I'm not going to message you privately and ask you to sign up to anything or send me money, so be careful. There's many copy accounts of me messaging people. We followed one of the accounts. They have $74 million of it. Even when I'm here at the event, they're messaging people at the event pretending to be me with my images. So it's not me. Do not invest. Do not send money. Don't click any links. If I'm private messaging you on Instagram, it's fake. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going technicals. The market is slightly shit today in red, which is sucky. Coin is 6% down, for Solana 4%. Tesla's coming down to our beautiful buy orders. I want to buy a lot of Tesla. It's double bottoming. Let's see if it can get a bounce here, but I still think, I said this a while ago, if you've been following my videos, you know this, the target is $156 to add in. Here's going to get a bounce, but it's going to fall through 156. We'll have a big bounce, and then 117 is possible. But I'm going to be buying a lot on 1 and 2. That's where I'm going to buy a lot of Tesla, which is a good long-term. Google I've been buying a lot of as well. Bitcoin, let's jump in technicals for Bitcoin. It chose the yellow path. It's on that blue trend line, but it's most likely going to come down down following this descending triangle like this. Usually they break up to the upside, but that will happen in 2020, unfortunately. We can get some bullish momentum for the next few months. On the 4-hourly, it's oversold, but heading down more. On the daily, oversold. It's still following the yellow path, but it's failing a little bit. Now this triangle is invalidated. Let's go into it now. So we've got a new formation forming here. It's kind of a symmetrical triangle here, like this. So we've got this forming. And the yellow path is still being followed. Let's remove it now because we need to keep the charts updated. No point sticking and just watching the old position. So we've got this, so it's symmetrical triangle here, possible breakout coming soon, building pressure. The trend at the moment is down, higher low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Unfortunately, it's down, most likely going to break to the downside, a continuation pattern. That sucks. If that happens, let's see how far it will drop. And it looks like it's going to actually. We could have a big drop here. If it does break down here, target would be 15,600, which will suck. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we're oversold. We're trying to hold on. We need to get a bounce here, a really strong one to the upside. If we bounce here, then we can break out to the upside and go to 17,200. But most likely, it's going to fail here and drop 15,600. That will suck. Let's see how it plays out. What I would do is I wouldn't short until we get a retest. Failure of 16,591, then short. If we can break out, I'd wait for a breakout, retest, and then long from here after the retest. So most likely it's gonna drop. I would say you can see it's also trying to do a triple bottom here. Most likely it will drop. So I'm going to go short here, opening a short from here. Tight stop loss, it either works or fails, but again, wait till it retests. So first it needs to do this. Before you open the trade, it needs to do a retest, fail, and then drop, and then go short. So the trade will open at 16,586. Stop loss just above it because it's either going to fail or work, and take profit at the target, 15,622, risking $77 to make $964 with 10x leverage. Let's put the stop loss a little bit higher, above the daily at least. So risking 156 to make 964, 6.15 ratio trade. With 10x leverage will be 9,640. The long earlier today actually failed, unfortunately. So that's most likely the scenario that will happen with Bitcoin. Hourly, we're oversold. 15 minutes, we're oversold. So we could get a little bit of a recovery here. That's why I think we get a recovery and then a failure. So only open the trade again once it fails. So I'd actually open it a bit higher here. 16,000 on the daily resistance. Here would the trade open. 16,674. So it's only risking 68 to make 1,052. With 10x leverage, will be 10,520. That's Bitcoin trade. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video in the description of the video. Go down below on your phone. Go down in the description. Sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up and you meet all the requirements. You don't get it just by signing up. You have to meet all the requirements to get the full $30,000 bonus when you use that link in the description. So everyone go down below. Use that link in the description down there. Sign up to Bybit to trade. That's the exchange I use for trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't keep much funds on there. Just keep what you need for trading, and the rest, if you're buying spot, if you're buying Bitcoin, Ethereum spot or alt, MCRT, you can also buy on there. Move it to a cold storage. That's my recommendation. Let's go back in. So that's where you trade on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum now. Now we're going into Ethereum, which MCRT slightly up while the rest of the market dropping, which is nice. Ethereum slightly up as well today, which is interesting. Let's see what Ethereum is showing. Ethereum is playing. The long that we took a while ago is still active, which is beautiful. Congratulations if you took that long. It was massively in profits, but pulled back slightly in profits now. If you haven't opened a trade, most likely if Bitcoin drops, but Ethereum looking like it's going to break to the upside. Interesting. So Bitcoin might actually hit the stop loss, but that's okay. That's why we do tight stop losses. We risk like $90 to make $1,000. Because this looks like Ethereum is going to do something like this. It's a descending triangle to break out to the upside. But if it breaks out to the upside, that means Bitcoin is also running up. So that's showing us that Bitcoin could actually run up here, which is interesting. A daily oversold, 4-hourly oversold. Let's check out different indicators. So squeeze mob going to the red. RSI going to overbought, heading down. So the RSI is not looking good. RSI on the 4-hourly also heading down. On the daily, RSI also heading down. So most likely it's going to drop here. So I wouldn't take a long here on Ethereum. Let me adjust this. I wouldn't take the long here on Ethereum because Bitcoin is showing us that it's going to drop. And the indicators here are showing us that it's going to drop on Ethereum. It looks bullish, but this pattern. But I guess if you do it like this, that will be a symmetrical triangle. Not really a descending triangle. So if the indicators are showing that we're going to fail here, I would most likely go short instead. So I'd open the short like this. Target would be from here, targeting. Oh my god, that would be so shit if this happens, guys. If this happens, it's terrible for the market. 1,083 on Ethereum. Hopefully I'm wrong. Let's hope I'm wrong. But I would go short here. Stop loss, I would open it here on a retest. Stop loss just above on the weekly. Take profit, unfortunately, down here. It's a 10 risk to reward ratio trade. It's risking 1% to make 10%, but 10x average will be 100% profit on the trade, 1,260. Those are the trades on Ethereum. Again, trade using that link down below, sign up. And I'm here with Dusty BC, one of the bigger YouTubers. How's it going, Dusty?
I've been writing down everything he's been saying, to make sure I can follow this trade, because that's going to be awesome. It'll be a pretty good deal, I think. So I'm trying to...
It looks like Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to drop. What do you think?
Let's see, man. I didn't actually focus on the price too much. FTX stuff is too interesting. Mostly focusing on the news, because that's what I cover.
Yeah, Dusty BC, he does a lot of crypto news. Check out his channel, also on YouTube. How many subscribers do you have now?
142,000.
142,000.
Crypto bros, huh?
And how many do you have on Twitter?
125,000, I think.
You have 300,000 people?
Yeah, I think so.
Guys, he's beating us. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. If you're watching his channel, come over to mine instead. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.
Did you show in the pool?
You want to go skinny dipping in there now, right? At the party.
That would be awesome, though, right?